All right, so
I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeMille.
Anyway, Jesus. Anyway, here we go. We have a lot of stuff that Mo brought. Ooh, look at the pretty new console.
Pretty.
Oh,
That's nice.
Scotty's gonna be busy doing wiring here.
So we have
console,
new wiper arm assemblies with the squirty.
Nice.
New antenna, seatbelt bolts.
Yeah.
New pulleys.
All the pulleys are here.
Finally. And a lot of stuff was just hard to find, so the owner of the car got everything we needed.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
We do have a delay, and I gotta go over that with you, Scotty. We do have a delay on the harnesses up front that we need. They're supposed to be here, and then they're not. So we might have to make them, or which means just get the bulb. Get the bulb. If we get bulb sockets, we can wire that. That's not a problem. Yeah, but we only have one.
No.
Oh, that's true.
We have more than one bulb socket because we can.
Oh, yeah, we have.
If we have to build one, we can build one, I guess. But I prefer to use brand new. The customer knows what's there.
Yeah.
You know, it gives them, in my opinion, I think it kind of gives the customer a little bit of, somebody else is doing the work, but
peace of
they're
mind.
still in control. They're still, I don't want them to lose that feeling ever because I wouldn't want it if I was paying for my car to be redone.
Yeah. Well.
I know how I feel with mine, and if something that I can't do, which I'd love to say I can do everything, but there are certain things I just can't do, find the right person to marry, win the lottery.
Yeah.
The normal things in life,
Yeah, I don't think anybody can get any of that shit right.
I know, right? But I don't want the customer to feel like we're in control of everything. I want them to still feel like they're in control because they technically are.
Yeah.
That's very big.
Mo and I were talking this morning on text, and he's like, man, if we have to make them, just make them. But at the same time, it's like, I'm going to look around a little bit today. So,
yeah, you might be able to find some.
So we'll do that. I guess it's carry on.
Yeah.
Carry on, my wayward Scotty. They'll be.
We got you. We'll get you.
Done.
We're making her purdy.
On it.
Deuces.